Today we talk about how can you sell your car on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, all you have to do to sell it, you just go down, click here on more down here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on get instant offer. So just click on it here, then it's going to take you to this list, so you just waiting to open video here. So here can you sell your car for cash online, and here can you so go down and you add here your license plate and your here stage, and here lock up your car here. So then it's going to add video on your app. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So before I forget, here pay VN here or pay make if you want to select it here. So thank you for watching.